Peekaboo! Hi guys, we are back from TwnsHungama. Myself Sidra. This is Peekaboo Saqib. Today we are going to show you a puppet show done by Saqib. So let's start. So these two are the puppets. So myself Tinku, myself Minku. So let's start, right? Yes. Hi Minku. Hi Tinku. How are you? I am fine. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Do you know something? No. How will I know if you don't tell me? Ha 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 ha. That was a nice joke. Do you know coronavirus? No. What is that? It's a virus that kills people. Oh my God! Save me! And also, there's no medicine for that. Why? I'm scared. Don't be scared. I will show you some basic tips to be safe. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So you guys also listen to basic tips, okay? First, wear a mask wherever you go, okay? Wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap, thoroughly, okay? Maintain social distancing. Okay, wait. What is social distancing? Social distancing means maintaining distance from other people at least 6 feet, okay? So now you guys know the basic tips. So if you follow them, you'll be safe. Bye. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Bye.